Hi everyone, once again it's Evelyn Faith, and today I want to take you through PowerPoint. We are going to come here, we click on any blank page, come to new, then come to PowerPoint. So PowerPoint, this is all about presenting. It's all about presenting your work but into slides. So for example, creating a slide, you come to home and you come to new slide, you click on that. So whenever you're starting, you start with this title slide. This is where we're going to talk, this is where like it majorly talks about the title of what you're going to present. Let me say, for example, we are talking about computer. So this is computer. Then here you come and talk about like the person presenting the work. For example, presented by, let me say, Faye. So that's how we create our first, like the first page of our presentation. Press enter. Then we come to create a new slide. So this time around we are going to use this. We are going to use this here in this slide. For example, we shall come, since we have already introduced people to computer, we shall come and talk about the definition of computer. So majorly this part, this clip majorly always talks about the body, like what you're talking about, like what you want to express. The first slide always talks about the title, then this one, it always talks about the body, like what you contain in what you're going to present. So that's how you create slides, and that's how you present your work. Thank you. So I'm going to take you through an example of what I did. Like for example, here I was talking about farming, and as I showed you how to create slides, these are the slides I tried creating. This is what I tried talking about. The title, there is this one, that, there is that. Those are all slides. So for example, like so, you may want to like present your work, like the way you want your work to look, to be different. We shall first come to, you'll have to come to design. These are all designs. You choose of how you want your work to look like. Do you want your work to look like that, or you want your work to be that way, or this way, or that, or that? Any, you come here to choose your work, the design of your work. So for me, I'll go with this. I think I'll go with this. So you see how my work is looking, but I can change it, and this is how my work will be presented. So here I was talking about about farming. So this is where I was telling you this contains the body. So here I came and talked about farming, what farming is. In this slide I came and talked about the types of farming. So if you want to like to do some transitions, you come here, you choose of how you want your work to be. For example, let me go back to this. If I choose that, that's how my work is going to appear. If I want this, my work will be like that. If I want that, that's how it will look like. That's how I hope you're seeing. If you want more options, you can come here, but I think me, I'll use this. I'm going to take that. So that has been applied to our first slide. If I want to the second one, I can also come and apply any. I hope you're seeing. Then the third one, I'll put that. So that's how you do it. And for the animations, you come here. For example, you can put any.
F9.
So we can come here to slideshow. Slideshow is all about this. Let me show you. So this is slideshow. It's going to show about my work. So I was telling you about like slideshow. So this is how my slides are going to be shown. I hope you're seeing. So that's the end of our slideshow. So that's our slideshow. So that's all. Then I was telling you about animation. Animation, for example, let me come to farming. You come here where you want to add your animations. Then you come and select, and I think you're seeing what's happening. I can select any. I come here, I'll come here, choose where I want my animation to be added, and that's how it will be.
Okay. Apart from advantages.
So so you can be wanting to add pics, like pics also help to elaborate on much about what you're talking about. So adding pics, we shall come here. For example, since I'm talking about farming, I'll come here, I control copy, then I come here, I control and paste it. I'm going to control, I paste my thing, but remember I have to put it in a reliable place where it should be. As you see, those pics help us talk more about, when someone just sees the pic, the person will just understand what I'm talking about. I come and add another one. So I'm going to modify my pic. As you see what I'm doing, so this is how we add our pictures, as I was talking about it earlier. So we can decide to add on all our slides. So I'll control copy it. Then put it there. So I'll come and format my pic. You come here, you choose any design that you want your pic to look like. So this is all about PowerPoint. So that's all about computer. But then if you want to like format your background, you come here, go to format background, click on it. Then afterwards you come here to picture or texture fill. Then you come and click on insert. You come here, then you come to my PC, then you come here, you select the pic you want. Then you come to insert. I think you've seen our pic has been inserted like the background, but since the picture is overtaking our words, you come here to transparency, then you try to reduce its transparency. Like that. Then I apply to all. I think all of my slides are going to have the same thing. Even if I come here, it is all the same. So that's all about PowerPoint. Thank you so much for listening to me and giving me your time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Thank you. I love